This is May 28th, 2014, and I am trying to release this latch, get my radiator to come up. I just wanted to generally check some stuff in there, and I wanted to raise this hinge up, and it's hinged here and here. And I take this loose, of course, and I wiggle it up and down, and I try to pull this latch, and it's never even been raised before. This is the original latch. I can't get it to undo itself from this post right here. And it says caution, position latch does not comply with FMVS 3206. Anyway, it doesn't appear to be broken. I mean, it's original. I look underneath it as I pull it and I wiggle it up and down this way. Can't get that to release. I would like some help with that. Of course, I can take this bolt out, but I still want to know why it's not releasing. Is there a secret? It's never been used. I've tried to peck on it with a hammer. What the hell am I doing wrong? Thank you, planetshapers@yahoo.com. PLANETSHAPERS@yahoo.com. I would appreciate some help.